It's the pink tower, the iconic pink tower that we're going to be working with today. And welcome back to all of our viewers to Sunshine Teachers Training YouTube channel. Now, I know I already have a video on the pink tower, but I've had a lot of comments that the music in that video is a bit too overpowering and viewers are not able to hear what's going on. And so I decided, let me come back and make a fresh video for you on this material so that you can watch it undisturbed and take in the information at ease. So I have Erfin here with me who's going to assist me. She's going to be the child in this video. And when we're done showing you how to present this material, then we'll have a little chat and learn about the magnificent benefits of this beautiful Montessori material. Hi Erfin, how are you today?
Hi Miss Jenny, I'm fine today.
Today I want to show you how to use the pink towel. Watch me first and then I will give you a turn to do the activity as well. Okay?
Okay.
Erfin, let's walk around the tower and have a look at it from all angles, okay? Now, Erfin, I'm going to take the tower down and then I'll give you a chance to try it also, okay? Erfin, would you like to try and build the tower?
Yes.
So that's presentation 1 of the pink tower. We also have a presentation 2, which we present later when the child's a bit older, they have deeper concentration, and they have a bit more control in their fingers and their eye-hand coordination. I will come back in the future to present that to you as well. If you'd like to see it, then definitely comment right now. Say, Jenny, we want more, and I will be sure to do that presentation for you in the future as well. Now, it was a very simple presentation, but you've got to make sure it looks very simple to the eye, but you have to present it with a lot of precision, at a certain pace, with a lot of grace, handle the materials beautifully, because whatever you're doing, the child is also picking up on that. You are the role model in the way you behave, in the way you handle the materials. That is what the child is learning as well from you. What is our lesson here? The main lesson is visual training. We are refining the child's sense of sight, and they are learning how to do that through the different sizes of the pink tower, the cubes in the pink tower. There's a very small difference in each of the cubes. And when they perhaps make a mistake, okay, and they're building it and maybe, they take the incorrect cube, automatically they can see where the mistake lies, right? They can see that this does not look correct. So the control of error is visual. Now, if you have missed out on what the control of error is, we have a great video explaining that. I'm linking it right here. Do have a watch. It'll really help you to understand how beautifully children learn through their own mistakes, how deep their learning becomes when there is a control of error existing in the materials. Now, apart from just that, there's so much more they're learning, all right? As they handle each of the cubes, their fingers are becoming stronger, which is preparing them for writing, which will come very soon in the future. They are developing their sense of eye-hand coordination. They have to carry each of these cubes one by one from the shelf to and fro, okay? Every time they do that, there's a very specific way we carry the materials. We show them to carry this. They're developing their gross motor skills. Now remember, this material is presented to a 3-year-old child. 3-year-old children still need a lot of motor development. They're still learning how their bodies work. They're trying to understand that their gross motor skills still need to be refined. So this material helps them to develop that. They also like to move. They need that. Their body needs that. So this helps them to get that need satisfied, that sensitivity met through this activity. After doing it at this, level where we show them how to build the tower, we do want to encourage them to keep coming back through this, to using this material, because repetition is a very powerful way to deepen their understanding. I have a video on repetition. I will link it up here. Watch it to understand why we want children to keep coming back and do the materials over and over again. Okay? So how do we get them to keep coming back? We introduce variations. I've said this before, when we encourage children to do variations, we do not present it. We do not tell them, I'm going to show you how to build the pink tower in this way or that way. We encourage them and ask them, maybe you would like to build the pink tower lying down. Okay, so now instead of doing it vertically, they would be encouraged to build it on the mat horizontally. At another time, you might tell them, why don't you use the pink tower to build maybe a boat, and see where their imagination takes them. There's no right answer, there's no wrong answer. But what happens when they use the material in these different ways? There's an understanding of what is the relationship between them? What is the difference between them? They get a deeper understanding of size, and they also get to be creative. That's another one of the criticisms of Montessori, that Montessori doesn't encourage creativity. And I really don't agree with that, because I've seen children do some of the most amazing things. I have been in the field of Montessori since 1998. It's a very, very long time. And yet, when I see children using these materials, I sometimes see things that I've never seen before. They combine the materials in such creative ways. They start at one end of the classroom and they've moved all the way across. The creativity is dependent on you as the adult. How much freedom are you really giving them to try different things, to think out of the box? Many teachers feel, no, there's only one way to use this and they can't do that. And they don't encourage children to get creative with the materials. So our ground rules always are that respect the material, use it in a way that is not harmful to the material, to the environment, to your friends. And in that, they have a lot of freedom to use the material in different ways. So I hope that this presentation of the Pink Tower has been enjoyable for you. If you have enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, show us some love. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you get notified every time that we upload a new video, because we keep coming back with new content. Tell us what you'd like to see, leave comments, ask questions. I try my best to come back and help you. And of course, we'd love to learn with you. I'd love for you to learn with us. I get a lot of comments on how can we learn with you. It's very, very easy to become a student of Sunshine Teachers Training. We have great frontliners, and I will add the contact of Merlinda right here in the description box. You can connect with her, and she's wonderful. She will, you can connect with her on WhatsApp, have a chat. She can meet with you on Zoom and help you answer any questions and help you find a program that's right for you, that's right for your lifestyle, that suits what your needs are right now. Whether you're a teacher, whether you're a parent, we have something for everybody. It is flexible, it is self-paced, and we, as the trainers, we have a great team of trainers in English, in Bahasa Indonesia. We're here to support you, to make sure that you never feel alone, that you never have to struggle. We're available via WhatsApp, via Zoom, to help you to get your Montessori knowledge, your Montessori qualification with comfort, with ease, with happiness, with enjoyment. When I meet with my students during our orientations, whenever we have a new student, then I connect with them to have an orientation meeting. And the last thing I always tell them is that I want you to have the best time with us, because when I was a student, I enjoyed learning every bit of information. I just wanted to soak in it, and I never wanted my course to end. And I want all of my students to have that experience, that they really love learning, because this course is fabulous. This Montessori knowledge, what she's given us and what we in turn are passing to you, is just phenomenal. She was a genius. And everyone in the team of Sunshine Teachers Training, we are so passionate, and our goal as a team is that more and more and more and more and more children should reap the benefits of a Montessori education. So we want to work with as many people as we can to spread this far and wide. So connect with us, reach out to us, and we'll be happy to welcome you on board. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you again, and until we meet again, have a beautiful day.